After a long day, sometimes all you want to do is just get in your bed. It's been raining. I'm tired. I did want to do a video about something, and I can't remember what now. Hmm. Uh, Gosh, I don't remember why I came on here. Mm, mm. OMG. I had a really good idea that I wanted to something that I really wanted to discuss. Oh well. Oh, I know. I was going to talk about eating. Um, I I oh, I know exactly what I wanted to talk about. So, for those of you who know, I had sciatica for over a year, if you watched my videos or if you know me personally. And one of the things that I did was become a vegan. And so I was a vegan from November of 2021 until November of 2022. After November of 2022, or in November of 2022, I decided to cook for one of my coworkers, and I made some salmon, and I ate a piece of salmon. And I've had fish several times since then. I've also gained weight, and I don't like it. And so I've been, if you watched the video I posted the other day, I've been doing my best to get back on the ball. I have been eating soy. I have also been eating the plant-based meats, which is something that I wouldn't do before. And so I've been eating kind of terribly since, I'll say last August actually is when I probably started eating things that I shouldn't eat, like soy. And I really feel it in my body. I feel it. I get very winded very kind of quickly. Um, I do have some pain in my body. And yeah, I need to get it together. So, like I said, I've been doing my best to eat better. Um, and I'm going to continue to do so. For the most part, um, people watch more of my cooking videos. So, I'm going to do my best to do more cooking videos. And also, I need a rug. So if you have a suggestion for a rug that I could put right at the foot of my bed, please let me know. Uh, my furniture is basically black. And then I have my white yeah, I have my robe and a jacket hanging up on the door, but it should go on the back of the door. But anyway, I need a rug right there so that when I step out of the bed, I'm stepping onto a rug. So if you have a suggestion, I would love to hear it. And please post it down in the comments. As always, love y'all. Later.